Okay guys, I just want to do a quick shaky cam video as I figure this out for my car. I've taken apart, I unraveled the entire harness, and there's a few interesting things. It was, anyway, right off the bat, I think this might answer the question of why I need the aux cable for some and not all. The aux cable plugs into the main connector that goes into the head unit, right? But here, let me get this out of the way. You can actually see it also splits off and goes along here. And if you were wondering, if you looked at your harness, it had this sticking out. This goes back here, and not only does it connect on this side of the harness, it also goes through to this side. And if we look at what pins it goes to, you can see it goes to top two from the left, and then top two from the right, and then bottom second from the right. So I know in my car that uses fiber optics, none of these wires actually go to anything. Like, if you're not familiar, this and this and this is replaced entirely by the fiber optics, so maybe it's just not possible if you have Logic 7 to do it without the aux cable. Now the other interesting one is these two white pairs, because they look like they also have something to do with sound. And these two white pairs go to their respective side of the part of the harness that I believe is for audio, right? Like most cars, you have your front and back and then left and right channels. They're usually pairs of green, white, gray, and purple. So I'm almost certain that that's for sound on the non-Logic 7 Harman Kardon stereo, and that also doesn't exist on the stock harness of the car, right? So let's take a look at the stock harness of the car. All it has is the power and CAN bus, right? All the other pieces I showed you are absent, and then just fiber optics to replace those three other like sub harnesses, I guess. So that might give a clue. And then the other thing I was trying to figure out is just what the hell's going on with all these different CAN wires. So from the top, there's a green wire called CAN 2 that goes to nothing, and then a purple wire called CAN 1, and then at the bottom it's got looks like from the iDrive side it's got CAN A, and then from the car side, one of these is CAN high. Sorry about the camera. One of these is CAN high, and it splits out into 3 wires, and one of these is CAN low, and it splits out into 3 wires. And I still haven't quite made sense of these yet. Thanks.